Hi friends, welcome to IT10. In this video I'm going to show you a Python project on school management system. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and please comment on the comment box. So I'm going to discuss this Python project. Okay, so here first of all you can see I have imported this MySQL connector here, and this is MySQL connector connect, and host we have to write here host localhost, and user will be root, and password, this is password of the database, MySQL database, and this is the name of my database, Montfort. Okay, so in case of you this password will be different and your database should be different. Okay, so here you can see in this Python project this is the main function here, Montfort High Secondary School. In this Python project I have 6 options. First option is add student, second is delete student, and third is student fees, fourth is student display student, fifth is search student, and last is quiet. Okay, so you can see in this here I have taken input from the users, and this is the object of this of the input, and here you can see I have used if function. If anybody has press 1 choose one option, then this function will be called, and if anybody is choose second option, then this function will be called, and in the third option this function will be called, in the fourth option this function will be called, and in the fifth option this function will be called, and in the sixth option this function will be called. Okay, so you can see if anybody is select this first option, this function here, I have defined this function name here, add student. Okay, so here you can see in this function the user have to insert this student name, second roll number, third is class and address, next is phone number and the registration number. Okay, so I have made this object here of this input from the user. These are all our object, and I made here tuple, and here you can see in this here I made insert the user will be insert these values, and you have to write here all percentages. Okay, here you can see I have 6 object. Okay, so you have to write here 6 percentages. Okay, so I made cursor and execute the query, and commit, you should commit this function to save the any changes done in database. You have to commit this, so data entered successfully. Let's see how the function will be functioning properly. Okay, so I have saved the file and run the program. You can see enter the tags, pressing 1, enter the student name, suppose Christ. Okay, roll number is 6, class is 4, address suppose Mandy, phone number, registration number, you can see this data has inserted successfully. Okay, so another data I am inserting, going to insert. Suppose again pressing option 1 again, name suppose roll number 55, suppose class 7, student address, phone number, registration number, you can see this data also inserted successfully. So now let's check this data in the database MySQL. Okay, so I am opening the database MySQL. You can see this is the MySQL database, so I am inserting password of this database. Now I'm writing so databases, you can see these are my databases, and here this is all the tables are there in this database. Okay, Montfort. So I'm writing use Montfort semicolon close enter. You can see, let's check how many tables are there. So tables, you can see I have 2 tables in this Montfort database. Okay, so this student records will be inserted in this student table. Okay, so I'm going to display all the records of this student table. So I'm writing select star from student. You can see this is I have inserted 2 databases. Okay, 2 records in this databases. Okay, you can see Christ, you can see last 2 Christ 6, roll number 6, class 4. Okay, then you can see another was Tetsi. Okay, 55, roll number is 55, class is 7. Okay, these are the previous database. Okay, Patrick, Harry, Jeko, Singna. Okay, these are the previous database which I have already inserted in this database. Okay, MySQL database. So here so the first function is so in this program, in this Python program, this first function is doing properly. Okay, so now second option delete student. Okay, delete student. So again I'm going to run the module. Second option class name, in this you can see class name. I'm going to delete this class name is class test. Okay, 7, roll number 55, class name 7, roll number 55. You can see data is updated. Let's check whether it is deleted or not in this database. So I'm again I display the records, select student from student, enter. You can see in this table records this last records is deleted. Okay, Next, third option is student fees. Okay, student fees. So again I'm going to run this model. Third option, student name. Suppose I'm taking student records from our records. Okay, suppose this Christ. Okay, class is 4, so 4. Piece of the month, suppose March. Okay, amount 2500. Date, suppose 22. For 2024. You can see data entered successfully. Let's check in the fees table. So select star from fees. You can see in this last record this fees record is inserted properly. Now display student. Okay, so again going to run the model. So display student 4. You can see all the records are displayed. Okay, next search student. Going to run the module. Five roll number, suppose I am roll number 65 67. Okay, this roll number. So you can see all the details of the students is displayed here. I am getting all the details of this roll number 67. Okay. Again if you exit from this program, if you are going to exit from this program, so you just press 6. Okay, you can see. So the function is working properly. Okay, you can see this one. So you can write this simple program in your exam, so and easily you can understand and easily you can explain in the examination. Okay, so if you are going to write this program and explain properly, you will get good marks, because in the examination you must take this a simple program only. Okay, don't go in in this complex, okay, complex way, okay, don't go complex way. If you are going to complex way, you can't explain properly, then you will get, obviously you will get less marks, no. So your what is the your aim? Okay, your aim is only to get the good marks, so you can write this program. Okay, so those are new here, please subscribe this channel. And so this is only a simple program, so I will meet you in the next program. Okay, so thank you.